Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I'm Kel, and this is Thrift Store Thursday. Y'all, I had went to the thrift store every day last week. I mean, every day something just said, go down there, Kel, run down there, run down there. So this may be a part two. I'm not sure because I do have a lot, and I think I'm gonna break it up for y'all. So let's get started and let me show you what I found on my fabulous adventure at the thrift store this time. Now I started unwrapping some stuff because I know you don't want to hear all that paper. So we'll take this out. So isn't this gorgeous? Just a pretty little candy bowl. Crystal. I don't know if this is vintage or not. But I paid 69 cents for this. See, 69 cents. This will be on my table for a little candy dish. So I got that. And to be honest, I found this little creamer, and I'm just now looking at it, and it has the same like pattern on the bottom of it. So I'm wondering, and I bought these I found these two different times. Wow, I'm just noticing that. But this was 49 cents, if you can see inside here. Another 49-cent day. I thought this was cute. So this is like your little creamer, I guess, and I don't know what I would use this for. Maybe a little candy dish. I'm wondering if there was a lid that went with this to be the sugar bowl. Wouldn't that have been beautiful if there was a lid for it? But yeah, I got these two pieces, and as I'm sitting here looking at it, I think they do go together. This is too big to go inside here. But yep, found that. Sit it over there. And another day when I went, look at this platter here. And I'm not sure if this is 100% silver, but this is old. And it does have a marking, and I'm just realizing it. I don't know if you can see the marking down here. I need a magnifying glass. But look how pretty this is. Very nice and elegant. And this was 99 cents. I said, oh, this is going to be pretty on the table for Christmas or Thanksgiving. I don't know if I'm decorating this year because, like I said, I'm trying to move. But whenever I have a little party or home house, anything at the new place, this will definitely be on my table. And I may decorate, I'm not sure yet. But for 99 cents, I thought that was fabulous. Okay. And then this was another day. Beautiful white pie dish. Look at that, if you're into baking. And this was 79 cents. 79 cents. And I've never made a fresh pie, but I may try to make apple pie or something for the holidays coming up, or a sweet potato pie. But for 79 cents, I said I wasn't leaving it. So I thought that was a good find. Now this is my favorite. Look how long this tray is. And it had to stand with it. So I put that down. And this is heavy. And I paid $1.99. You can see that. And it's from Home Interiors, it says on the back. But isn't this beautiful? It's got to get cleaned out, of course. So this is going to go very nice on my table for the holidays. So many different things you can put in here. If you're just having sandwiches, you can line your sandwiches up. I mean, all different type of things. Appetizers, you name it. And look, y'all, I found a letter K for Kale. I'm going to paint it. And this was 49 cents. So I had K. So I just, picked it up and then I'll put it on my desk, work time or whatever. Okay. And lastly, because, we got 2 more things and then I'm going to move on to a separate video. Look, I got all these plates. They're melamine for $1.99. See that? It's $1.99. And I'm not going to take them out the tape, but you can see there was 4 plates, 4 salad plates, and then you have 4 bowls. I was so lucky to be able to get a whole complete red set, and if you can see the pattern, it has a little specks of brown on it. But I thought this would go nicely for a Christmas tablescape, so that's why I picked them up, because I didn't have red dishes. And then also this would be nice, Valentine's. And who doesn't like red? I love red. Red is one of my favorite colors as well. So $1.99 for a complete set, that was not bad. And lastly, y'all, look what I found. I don't have it plugged up because I have unplugged it, but I have been wearing this all week. And it's a vibration neck massager with heat. Now you see the regular price. It's from Walmart, $19.88. When these were out Christmas, I seen them, but I kept forgetting every time I was going to do my Black Friday shopping. I kept forgetting to get it. Well, I ran across it at the thrift store, and it was $3.99. So I said, oh, I thought that was a good price. And I said, please let it work when I got home. When I got home and opened it up, it's like nobody never even used this. It still had the box with the plug in it. And this was still in the bag, the directions and everything. I don't know if somebody got it as a Christmas gift and they just didn't like it. But because I do tedious work at my job and I'm always sitting, leaning back or whatever, this has really helped me. And then it has the little heating button, and it feels good. It gives you a little shake and stuff. But I was super happy to be able to get one of these. And then I put my TENS unit on my back, and I'm just getting massage all up and down my back and my neck. So hopefully you'll be able to, find one of these. I do recommend it. It's not like a deep massage, but it's just enough, to get all that stress out your neck. So I hope you enjoyed this part 1 to my Thrift Store Thursday, and I'll see you in part 2 next Thursday. Remember, if this is something that you like, please tell a friend. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I love comments. I love to converse with y'all down in the comments section. And as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Thrift Store Thursday video.